I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn React, even if your JavaScript knowledge is foundational. React is fundamentally built on JavaScript, so a basic grasp of its core concepts is truly helpful. Think of it as learning to drive. You need to know how the steering wheel and pedals work. We will focus on the essential JavaScript elements, like understanding variables, functions, and objects, which are the building blocks for any React application. This approach ensures you build a solid foundation, without getting bogged down in advanced JavaScript topics initially. Once you have a foundational understanding of JavaScript, the next step is to dive into React's core concepts. Components are the heart of React. They are independent, reusable pieces of code. You will learn how to create them and how to use props to pass data from one component to another, much like passing arguments to a function. We will also cover state, which allows components to manage and react to changes in data, making your user interfaces dynamic and interactive. Understanding these three concepts is about 80% of learning React. A key part of learning React is understanding JSX. It is a syntax extension that lets you write HTML-like code directly within your JavaScript files, making it much easier to describe what your UI should look like. While it looks like HTML, it is actually JavaScript under the hood. To get started quickly, utilize development tools such as Create React App, which sets up a new React project with zero configuration. A powerful code editor, like Visual Studio Code, will also significantly boost your productivity and learning experience. The most effective way to solidify your React knowledge is through hands-on practice. Begin by building small, focused projects, perhaps a simple counter or a to-do list application. Gradually increase the complexity, adding more features and components as you become more comfortable. Regularly practice debugging your code, as problem-solving is a crucial skill for any developer. Consider contributing to open-source React projects. This offers invaluable real-world experience and helps you learn from experienced developers, accelerating your journey to becoming proficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.